Today, I'll show you how to get a banner or cover photo on Pinterest. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone or go to Pinterest in your browser. Sign into your Pinterest account. Now go to your profile by tapping your profile picture, usually found at the bottom right corner of the app. Once you are on your profile page, look at the top area of your profile. This is where your profile, photo, name, bio, and sometimes your banner or cover image appear. If Pinterest allows you to change your banner, tap Edit Profile. Now look for an option called Cover Photo, Banner, or Profile Cover. Tap that option. Then choose an image from your phone gallery or upload one from your computer. Pick a photo that fits your profile style. For example, you can use a brand image, a lifestyle photo, a design, a collage, or a simple background that matches your Pinterest content. After choosing the image, adjust it on the screen. Move the photo left, right, up, or down until it looks good in the banner area. Make sure the most important part of the image is visible because Pinterest may crop the sides or top depending on the device. When everything looks right, tap Save or Done. Now go back to your profile and check how the banner looks. If you do not see an option to add a banner photo, your account may not have that feature available. Pinterest changes profile features from time to time, and some accounts may show different options. In that case, you can still improve your profile by updating your profile picture, writing a clear bio, and organizing your boards with nice board covers. To change a board cover, open your profile and select one of your boards. Tap the three dots, then choose Edit Board. Look for Board Cover and choose one of the pins inside that board as the cover image. This will help your Pinterest profile look more organized even if you do not have a separate banner option. So, to keep it simple, go to your Pinterest profile, tap Edit Profile, look for the cover or banner option, upload your image, adjust it, and save. And that's how you get a banner or cover photo on Pinterest. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.